abariki baitumba bakorentera mangana magia asenchira y'ubwikirano emanya mange naboigo bwatira n'Ensoko TV koigeka chingenjo cy'omugusi. Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi. Tomo chago tengere merobere ito yogosemia na gukomanya yago korekana kera rituko nabariki baitu beandrete chinga ki Chinsa asengencho yao eariganie asobo tengeri botari no mubwekano. Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi.
Murigereria bugeteseni y'Ensoko no mugokonenga no genderete gutubwatia ime ye TV y'Ensoko asemirobelito koletera eyo gukomanya eyo gosemia boigone yego kugokia nasumu basubuli tukolia rero lya Jumatano nigonde yange kigima okoletera chiriboti kolengana buna cyatoikeire ase nyumba yaito yoboraria elieta manyakanetenga Edina Mura. Ekiombe kia banyagitari imeyense ya Kenya batebire komiti y'obochenu y'abagavana nere kuirero kungusanana kwa banyagitari ne serikali y'eki county na emegiro ya kirachingaki ukwana asikigambero kia Nyeri magiga yo kubekese yo koiwo isuwancherana koirana semeremo kwa banyagitari ba Marsabit batebire mbuya bokoreri bobochenu boiraniwe inse ya serikali enene unegetambokero kyogokora emechandelia irase sekte yo abanyagitari aba nigo babeire no mugiro asamatuko 15
It's not only about Marsabit. As we talk today, there is strike ongoing in Meru. There is another strike going on also in Bungoma, and the issues are the same. Delayed promotion and a redesignation, people stagnating in one job group for more than 10 years.
The leadership and the board of the KHRAC that they need to fast track this welfare strategy so that we can have a framework from a government mandated body that would then even inform the budgetary allocation, because that is one of the problems that we have, that we devolved but we never costed the health function.
The strike have greatly affected the service delivery. You know, clinical officers are the backbone of the health service delivery, particularly at the outpatient centers.
Nekiombe kia bateresa imeyense bakurire ogokeana kwa bateresa ase chinyagitari egento gikwirera ogosaleka kwa bokoreri bwobochenu ukwana ime ya Machakos omotenenero monene wa bateresa Collins Otieno otebire ekiombe kia bagavana nigo bakwerindoria asokolika bateresa nonya kibare abange abo bagokora amasomo abokero mwaka boigo basabire serikali wekerania maganio yo mwaka w'ekiribubere na 15 asugukini abanyagitari ebirogo.
The training of nurses, among the courses that are offered in KMTCs and universities, nursing is the most hotly sought for training in Kenya. And we currently, all the campuses are full. Up to the next 2 years, there's no even taking up the training. And the colleges graduate almost 10,000 graduates, nurse graduates yearly. But ironically, all of them do not get their way to the employment market.
We thank God, we have constant medical supply. affect you psychologically. I also want my nurses to be healthy. Yes. And you're my children. I don't want anyone affected mentally.
What we want to request government to give as a present to the nurses this, as we celebrate this Nurses Week, number one, the CBA 2017, it will sort the issues of strikes. We want the career progression guideline, which we have developed, to be adopted by the Council of Governors and the national government so that it can sort the issues of promotion.
If you empower the nurses that are working in your counties, make that decision to implement that CBA, make that decision to enhance that risk allowance, make that decision to take care of the nurses working in your counties. The moment you make that decision, you have made the decision to skyrocket the healthcare system in your county.
N'abanyagetari imeye kaunti ya Bungoma batenenirio mugirobo magega yokubeka sei ya maigwano ne serikali ye kaunti iyo ukwana magega yokubeka kisei ekyo omukonya sekyombe ky'abanyagetari kya aba clinic officer Isano otebire buna wike serikali eikirania magani abo asiboige serikali ye kaunti iyo yalireira kwa abamenyi be kaunti iyo obokoreri bobochenu obuborobuya.
We don't want to come back here. Last time we were in the streets, but today we are on the boardroom. We having reached an agreement. We will try as much as possible so that we ensure that this return to work formula is implemented to the last, of course, through dialogue, and also we will keep on meeting and agreeing.
We are happy that moving forward, we are up to serve our patients in the environment that we are trained to. To the members of the union, you are warmly saluted that you kept the faith. You stand strong against intimidation by fighting for your rights. Your CBA was signed. Your monetary effect has been secured. Your permanent and pensionable jobs are secured, and so is your quest to secure fair administrative action.
Having agreed to this level, it means we are towards saving a life. Clinical officers are very critical in our service delivery and also healthcare system. And we don't take for granted anything that is raised on that matter. And that's why we took long hours yesterday just to ensure that we agree on what we need to work with.
Also, we have agreed to implement the guidelines for the clinical officers. And therefore, once it is adopted, the normal procedure, we are going to implement it fully. And therefore, just want to have that cooperation between the Department of Health and also the union. We fast track that adoption so that
Nekerembure nyinge egendrete kwene kigwa Chinsemo ao imeyense ya Kenya abamenyi wetania chimisano na Ibere kurwase kenyerukia odiria imeya teso county ya Busia bachandiru neto igo nemigondo yabo gusaliwa na mache abamenyi batarogwa kwa gutanga mache ayakorokura soro choronene ruwa malakisi ili gutanga imechande iyo abamenyi bono banyorira marwaire bunaria yebikuba naria akoretwa gweterasa machari ya gutenena.
So far, we've just educated them to keep safe. They are in this school, as you can see. This school lacks infrastructural development, and this is the rescuing center. We hope the area MP will take into account to see how they can develop the infrastructure. Next time, we have more people being rescued.
You see, this school is surrounded by a big river this side. This other side, there is also another river. So even crossing from one side to another becomes a problem. So during the rainy seasons, as you can see, wanafunzi attendance yao is below 2%.
Kukanyaga chini, napata maji najaa kwa nyumba. kukimbilia kuangalia kuku. Makuku zote iko kwa maji. Nguruwe imezama, ile ndogo imekufa. Nikatoa tu makuku kubwa nikapeleka kwa jirani. Kustukia kuja kutafuta kuingia kwa nyumba kubwa. Mahindi yote imejaa gunia, yote imeloa.
Mukonyi wa mukamishna Okeyo South Michael Oduoro orure kuboria guchasa abamenyi balensemeria egenderete guse ikogosereri wase okwanyoka kweliroba kunganya eli gutanga makweli abo chiamate Isano na Isato chiati gose chiatigirwe chitabwati obomenyo magega yo mubera bwembura gusalia se obomenyo bwabo amo ne chitugo chiabo gosombwa na mache kyombe kyo musaraba umubaliri kia bekeire gose batebirenga mbache kokonya balia bakirwe netoigo ase Chinsa mecho.
Maji mengi yameanza juzi, leo ndo amekuwa mengi. Hata manyumba zingine zimeanguka, vyombo vimeingia maji. Hivi tutatoka na tujui penye tuaenda. Tuenda pale lakini pa kulala hakuna.
Nahamishwa mzee mlemavu ambayo jana usiku amekwama kwa maji. Namsaidia. Ndio sasa nimepeleka yeye, narudi vyombo yake na msaidia kumtoa ndani ya maji. Bado vitu zingine
maji mengi yameanza juzi, leo ndo amekuwa mengi. Hata manyumba zingine zimeanguka, vyombo maji. Tutatoka na tujui penye tuenda. Tuenda pale lakini pa kulala hakuna. Nahamishwa mzee mlemavu jana usiku amekwama kwa maji. Na msaidia ndani ya maji. Ngine bado iko kwa ndani ya maji. Na nyumba yake imeboromoka.
Hata tukono wakati tulisema ya kwamba damu nyingine 2-3 ichimbwe ili hii maji kikuja iwekwe kwa hiyo damu. Lakini ikiwachilia watu maskini ambaye hawana nguvu, kila siku inaharibu vitu yao, inaharibu mimea yao, inaharibu mfuko yao, kila kitu inakuwa na shida.
Nechinkachiria chimenyetang'e n'oroche rwa Tana River bachakire kung'anya magega y'oroche oruo kobuna chinga guchiaye na amache gosoase obumenyo bwabo batebire nonya bakung'anya tibamanyete ase bagochia magega ya serikali kobasemia barua sabwo asing'encho yokogosererwa kubugima bwabo bono nigo bare n'obwoba bwogochia koba n'enchara na marwaire ase chikambichiria bagochia kobera.
We've experienced mudslides and landslides in our area. We visited the affected areas of Kipka sublocation, where 5 households have been displaced after their homes were destroyed by a landslide. We also visited Kolol area along the Iten Kabarnet Road. We have also visited Siroch village, where another 5 households have been displaced as a result of landslides.
Uweze kuchunga sehemu ambayo iko na inaweza boromoka, ili tunahimiza wananchi waweze kupanda mimea ambayo inazuia mmomonyoko wa ardhi na maneno ya landslides katika eneo letu ya Elgeyo Marakwet. Tunahimiza wananchi wakuwe waangalifu wanaposikia jambo ambalo linahusiana na kukatika kwa nchi, waweze kuripoti kwa serikali na pia waweze kujiadhari.
The emergency kit, the emergency kit contains tarpaulins, we have kitchen sets, we have bar soaps, we have of course Pure. The Pure is water treatment chemicals. We are looking at of course blankets because of the upper respiratory diseases that may occur after these incidents have emerged. And those are some of the key things that probably the communities are in need. And majorly is the food items, of which particularly there should be something like cereals that we should be providing them.
Namo Commissioner we County ya Nandi Wilberforce Kilonzo oruro kuboria asaba bwatani gutingie kampeni yo kumanya abantu iguru ya marwaire yebirengererio wetera se bikorwa ebinge byo kwengenta ebyo byabuchire ase ekaunti eyo asomo baromonge wabalia bakwerusyo bugima nigo barabasacha imiye kaunti ya Nandi otebire gwikigetambukiro kya bwango kerwe eri gutanga amakweria iyo arorekanire kubucha asatebire nga emechando yegenka nero ikoirera kurwara kwebirengererio asabanta bange.
Kwa hivyo ningeomba katika mikutano ya pale vijijini, katika baraza, viongozi wa makanisa, tujaribu kuelimisha wananchi. Mtu akiwa na shida anapaswa kufanya nini? Njia moja ya kutatua shida ama msongo wa mawazo ni kueleza rafiki yako kile ambacho unapitia. Kama bibi anakuchapa, tafuta mzee wa rika yako. Nenda umwambie bibi yangu siku hizi ananichapa. Atakwambia vile unaweza ukasaidika. Ikiwa pengine hauna rafiki kama mzee, unaweza ukapelekea ujumbe, nenda kwa ofisi ya chief. Eleza chifu wako kwamba bibi yangu siku hizi ananinyima chakula. Yeye na watoto wake wameungana wananihangaisha kwa boma. Na utaona chief atachukua hatua, atachukua hiyo kesi, ataitatua badala ya wewe kuamua kwamba dunia imefika mwisho na kuchukua
umwacho muririre nendo inoro mweli obwa Amayia Chinsa sana birasumu basolero na wakirembya mono aksoko yategerera wiko mweli nende bono gendera gutegerera emerubiri ende bwateti na tosuka ase egetesine kibwanjete ya Soko TV. Editariane ni Dinamura.